Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making blueberry muffins. Blueberry muffins make a great breakfast meal or even a snack. They're really simple to make, but we're going to start by preheating our oven to 375 degrees, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need 2/3 of a cup of sugar, 1 egg, half a cup of vegetable oil, 1/3 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of sour cream, and 1 cup of fresh blueberries. As always, we're going to start by combining our dry ingredients, our flour, our baking powder, and our salt, and we're going to whisk this together till it's thoroughly combined. We have our dry ingredients done. We're going to set this aside and start working on our wet ingredients. Now in a stand mixer or with a hand mixer or by hand, we're going to combine our sugar, our egg, our oil, our milk, and our vanilla until this is thoroughly combined. And that's how we want our mixture to look. Now we're going to add in our flour mixture and we're going to stir this up till it's no longer lumpy. We do not want to overmix it. And that right there is the consistency we are looking for. Now we're going to add in our sour cream. We're going to mix this up just for a few seconds because like I said before, we don't want to overmix this. Now that the sour cream is fully incorporated, we're going to go in with our blueberries. I like to go in with a little bit more than half of our blueberries, so that way we can put some on top to really identify our muffins. We're just going to gently fold these in, and we're going to put it into our muffin tins. We have our muffin tin. We're going to place our liners in here. If you don't have liners, that's perfectly okay. You just want to make sure that you oil down your pan a little bit. Now this recipe is going to yield us about 8 muffins. And that's because I like to really fill them up and get a nice high top muffin on there. So for that, we're just going to fill them up right to the top, just like so, and then do the rest of these. Now if you want to make smaller muffins, you can get about 12 of them with this recipe. I like to top my muffins with a few more blueberries, just like that. A couple more. Oh, I ran out. So we'll do a couple here, a couple there. And now I like to take a little bit of white sugar, just sprinkle it on top. As it bakes, it's going to add a nice crunch to the top of our muffins as well. And now our muffins are ready to go into the oven. We're going to place these in our 375 degree oven for about 25 minutes. And our blueberry muffins are done. These look and smell fantastic. Now what we want to do is pull them out of our pan. We're going to let these cool for a few minutes before we dig into them. Our muffins have slightly cooled down. I can't wait, I'm impatient. Let's get a bite. Perfectly cooked. They're loaded with blueberries. We got a little piece. Look at that. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it is absolutely loaded. Ooh, dropping it. Those are so good. It's a nice crispy exterior, especially on the top. It's a little bit sweeter than the rest because of the sugar. It has a fantastic blueberry taste. They're nice, they're soft, they're light, they're fluffy. This is a fantastic blueberry muffin recipe. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.